your brother's giving you a bath. Yeah.
Isn't this fun? Oh, I think she tastes some of it.
That's okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna dry my hand a little. Do you like that? Okay, just enough. I'm trying to get it. Okay, just a little bit more.
Good job,
And
Jay.
just a little bit here.
She's just watching you and smiling.
Drip. And
Good job. Yep,
Okay.
you did good. You ready to bathe her now?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do the right side and you do the left side.
Okay.
Mila, smile. Say bye-bye.
Hi. Wait, I'm trying to do something.
Jay, she loves you.
Yep.
Okay, let's bathe her.